Hello dear students, welcome to the new session. Today we will see subtraction of 3-digit numbers. We'll see first subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. See the first example. What is the first example? We have to subtract 231 from 875. That means we have to subtract this number from 875. The number which has to subtract that is 231. See, whenever we start subtraction, we start from the ones place. What are the numbers on the ones place? 5 minus 1. We'll do one thing. We'll start counting after 1 until we get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now we subtract the numbers on the tens place. What are the numbers? 7 minus 3. Start counting after 3 till we get 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now we'll subtract the numbers on the hundredth place. What are the numbers? 8 minus 2. Start counting after 2 till we get 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. See the next example. Which number will you write first here? We have to subtract 352 from 762. So we will write this number first. 762 minus 352. Now, what will be the answer for 2 minus 2? When we subtract the number from itself, what we get? We get 0. Now, subtract the number on tens place. 6 minus 5. Count after 5 till we get 6. After 5, right? 6. So, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Numbers on the hundredth place are 7 minus 3. Start counting after 3 till we get 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. See the next example. What are the numbers? We have to subtract 126 from 948. Now start subtraction from the ones place. The numbers are 8 minus 6. Count after 6 till we get 8, 7, 8. Count these lines. 1, 2. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Next on the tens place the numbers are 4 minus 2. Count after 2, 3, 4. Count these lines. 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. The numbers are on the hundredth place are 9 minus 1. Start count after 1 till we get 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Understood how to do? Now see the subtraction of 3-digit number with regrouping. See the first example. We have to subtract 368 from 784. So we'll write first 784 minus number we have to subtract, that is 368. Start subtraction from the ones place. What are the numbers here? 4 minus 8. As 8 is the big number, so we cannot subtract this 8 from 4. So what we will do here? We will borrow 110 from the tens column. As we are borrowing 110 from the tens column, so 10 plus 4 is equal to 14 ones. So this 4 will become 14 ones. As we borrowed 110 from the tens column, so 810 minus 110 is equal to 7 tens. Now subtract this 8 from 14. Count after 8 till we get 14, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Now subtract the numbers on tens place. The numbers are 7 minus 6. What will be the answer? 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Now subtract the number on hundredth place. The numbers are 7 minus 3. Count after 3 till we get 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. See the next example. We have to subtract 267 from 925. Start subtraction from the ones place. What are the numbers? 5 minus 7. As 7 is bigger than 5, we cannot subtract this 7 from the 5. So we will borrow 1 tens from the tens column. This 5 will become 15. As we borrowed 1 10 from the tens column, so 2 10 minus 1 10 is equal to 1 tens. Now subtract 7 from the 15. Count after 7 till we get 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Now see the numbers on the tens place. We have to subtract 6 from 1. Here also 6 is bigger than 1. We cannot subtract 6 from 1. So what we will do here? We will borrow 100 from the 100th place. So this 1 will become 11 tens. As we borrowed 100 from the 100th place, so 900 minus 100 is equal to 800. Now subtract 6 from the 11. Count after 6 till we get 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Now subtract the numbers on 100th place. 8 minus 2. Count after 2 till we get 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. See the 630. We have to subtract 462. Start subtraction from the ones column. See the numbers 0 minus 2. 2 is bigger than 0. We cannot subtract 2 from 0. What we will do now? We will borrow 110 from the tens column. So this 0 will become 10. As we borrowed 110 from the tens column, so 3 tens minus 1 10 is equal to 2 tens. Now subtract 2 from 10. Start counting after 2 till we get 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Now see numbers on the tens place. 2 minus 6. 6 is bigger than 2. We cannot subtract 6 from 2. So we will borrow 100 from the 100 place. So this 2 will become 100 plus 2 tens is equal to 12 tens. So this 2 will become 12. Now we can subtract 6 from 12. Count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. As we borrowed 100 from the 100th place, so 600 minus 100 is equal to 500. So this 6 will become 5. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Understood how to subtract with regrouping of the numbers. Now see the subtraction stories or word problems. See the first one. There are 440 flowers in a garden. If 168 flowers are plucked, how many flowers are left in the garden? Now see, the information we are getting from this question is the total number of flowers. Total number of flowers in the garden. 440. And the next one is the number of flowers which are plucked. Number of flowers that plucked. How many flowers are plucked? 168. What we have to find out here? The number of flowers which is left in the garden. Number of flowers left. See, we have total number of flowers and the number of flowers which are plucked. What we have to calculate here? The number of flowers which is left in the garden. Now see, first we will write total number of flowers. The total number of flowers are 440. Out of that, how many flowers are plucked? 168 we have to find out the number of flowers which are left. Left means minus. Now start subtraction from the ones place. The numbers are 0 minus 8. 8 is bigger than 0, so we cannot subtract. So we will borrow 110 from the tens column. So this 0 will become 10. As we borrowed 110 from the tens column, so this 410 will become 3 tens. Now subtract 8 from 10. Now can you calculate this? 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Now numbers on tens place. 3 minus 6. Here 6 is bigger than 3. We cannot subtract 6 from the 3. So we will borrow 100 from the hundreds column. So this 3 will become 13. As we borrowed 100 from the hundreds column, so this 4 will become 3. Now subtract 6 from 13. Count after 6 till we get 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Now see the next number on the 100th place. 3 minus 1. Can you tell me 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So our answer will be the numbers of flowers which are left in the garden is 272 flowers. 272 flowers. Understood?